You're both health conscious and thirsty. Drinking only water is getting old. It's an understandable predicament. Other options are available, though that can require a trade-off between calories and flavor. Solutions are even sparser for vegans or vegetarians, and that's where this video comes to the rescue. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. We offers a wide range of delectable vegan and vegetarian recipes, including an impressive vegan beverage catalog. Number 1. Kiwi Smoothie. Smoothies are undeniably tasty and go down easy, so long as you don't think too much about how much sugar you're consuming. This kiwi smoothie recipe alleviates that concern, at least a little, with no added sugars. Kiwi is a superfood, high in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and vitamin C. For that reason, drinking the dairy-free kiwi smoothie is great for cleansing. Number 2. Organic energy drink. This is an opportunity to set a strong tone for the day. You'll only need to wake up 10 minutes earlier to turn cantaloupe, carrot, and orange juice into this organic energy drink. The ingredients are naturally dairy-free. An abundance of vitamins and nutrients take the place where added sugars are found in typical smoothies, which promote immunity and increased energy levels. Number 3. Sugar-free watermelon juice. It defies logic that a fruit as flavor-packed and sweet as watermelon is actually low in sugar. Toss fresh watermelon chunks, black salt, crushed pepper, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and water into a blender. 5 minutes later, enjoy a glass of refreshing sugar-free watermelon juice. Number 4. Dairy-free Dalgona coffee. Cream rises to the top, right? Look no further than TikTok for the viral rise of Dalgona coffee, otherwise known as Korean whipped coffee. This recipe is a dairy-free spin. Other benefits include simplicity and versatility. All you need is milk, instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. This drink can be served hot or cold. If cold, add ice cubes to your ingredients. Number 5. Solutions are even sparser for vegans or vegetarians. Cucumber-flavored vegan buttermilk. Cucumbers are brisk by themselves, but used as the base for this cucumber-flavored vegan buttermilk, the refreshment is real. This recipe is particularly special because it's not just any buttermilk. The Indian name for buttermilk is chas. Technically, buttermilk is the liquid that is left over when butter is churned out of cream or from sour yogurt. Chas keeps you hydrated and helps with digestion. Cucumbers, a natural source for fiber and hydration, are paired with black salt, chaat masala, cilantro, cumin powder, curry leaves, lemon juice, and soy milk. Number 6. Peach Raspberry Vegan Smoothie. Raspberry strikes again, this time alongside peach. The most time-consuming task involved in this healthy peach raspberry vegan smoothie will be pitting the fresh peaches, but after that, it's smooth sailing. Dump your sliced peaches into a blender with chopped banana, chilled milk, dairy or non-dairy, protein powder, and raspberries. Number 7. Dairy-free turmeric and black pepper latte. The non-negotiable ingredient is turmeric, a spice known for its curcumin compound and undeniable medical benefits. This dairy-free turmeric and black pepper latte recipe are also caffeine-free. It also proves that improving your bone health and memory as well as decreasing inflammation and weight can be enjoyable. Number 8. Shiku Banana Milkshake. Did we have you at milkshake? This recipe is packed with natural sweets, upholding the milkshake's reputation for satisfying your sweet tooth without packing on the additional sugars. Shiku teams up with frozen banana, milk, dairy or non-dairy, chocolate powder, and vanilla extract for a punch your taste buds aren't prepared for. Number 9. Cherry Lemon Iced Tea. It hardly gets more cliché or refreshing than lemonade on a hot summer day. Eliminate the cliché aspect by switching gears to cherry lemon iced tea. This recipe utilizes only a half cup of sugar to amplify the fresh cherry's naturally sweet flavors. Other ingredients include anise cloves, black tea bags, mint leaves, and vanilla extract. Number 10. Cold cucumber soup shots. Soup? Cold? What? Yes, it's true, and it works. This cold cucumber soup recipe requires cucumbers, cumin powder, jalapeno, Dijon mustard, dill leaves, lemon juice, mint leaves, parsley, and yogurt. To make the ingredients into a drinkable shot, add water and blend them all up. If you have any leftovers, repurpose your cucumber soup into a dip, dressing, or pasta sauce. Number 11. Fresh guava and watermelon mocktail. Alcohol isn't a necessary ingredient for a drink to be worthwhile. With just a 5-minute preparation time and 5-minute cook time, indulgence is near with this fresh guava and watermelon mocktail recipe. Let your blender combine watermelon chunks and guava pieces with black salt, lemon juice, ice cubes, and water into an unsuspectingly yummy beverage. Number 12. Jalapeno cucumber mint lemonade. Are you sick of cucumber yet? You shouldn't be. We've already covered that cucumbers naturally promote hydration and can help with weight loss, but one jalapeno sets this recipe off. Black salt and mint leaves add even more to the palate, and this lemonade is made complete by fresh lemon juice and a dash of water or soda. Number 13. Vegan raspberry rose hot chocolate. This vegan raspberry and rose hot chocolate recipe admittedly isn't necessarily the healthiest option out there, but in the words of Parks and Recreation's Donna and Tom, treat yourself. The combination of chocolate, raspberries, vegan cream, vegan milk, vegan marshmallows, sugar, and rose extract will melt in your mouth. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.